In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto backup your messages. Now this works on iPhone or on Android. You want to open up your WhatsApps and then you want to click on settings. In iPhone it's at the bottom right, on Android it will be at the top. Then you want to click on chats and then you want to click on chat backup. From there you want to navigate to auto backup. So instead of having it weekly or monthly or even it's off, you want to set to daily, weekly or monthly, and every week or month it will auto backup your entire chats. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.